recording. Oke, halaman pertama dulu, Bang. Oke. So, hello internet. We are from Mini team from Product Based Capstone Project, and our team ID is CH2PR622 and 2. And for the first introduction, I'm gonna introduce myself. Hello, my name is Rizky Fauzi, and also there is Muhammad Farhan Arazi, and also Muhammad Musyafadani, and also Susi Dwi Nur Putri. And for the first part is talking about background. I'm gonna handle it to Farhan. Farhan, it's your time.
Okay, thank you, Rizky. The first section is background. In a world inundated with financial complexities, financial recorded art emerged as a solution to address the pressing challenge individuals face in managing their finance effectively. The problem at hand lies in the overwhelming nature of financial transactions and budgeting intricacy. As individuals grapple with multiple accounts, diverse spending patterns, and the need for comprehensive financial insight, the quest for intuitive and user-centric financial will become increasingly evident. Okay, next. Second section is reason. Next. Why did we choose this then? The theme of this project was chosen because of the increasing importance of effective money management in today's world. Second, the problem statement is that many people struggle with managing their finance effectively, which can lead to financial stress and hardship. And last, the aim of this project is to develop a new money tracking and management tool that can help people manage their finance more effectively.
Okay, thank you, Farhan, for presenting your part. And the next part is gonna be read by Susi.
Argument number 3 is taking research. Next, taking research manual farming. Manual farming method uses very frequently malware design, display, and concept color. But it seems that users are strongly against the type of training accounts to be fully used to application in this way. And administrator city administrators protect their user with many settings before using the application. Because of having many settings, average plans inform that contributing to use project for the early users. Next. Many itself is not the first money taker web that has ever existed, but were coming to providing user with just simple web design, but also profit user with utmost ratio where when used it. Also, it doesn't the time target user with as much option as possible. We also have several ways to encourage user to save more on spending and provide financial opinion to user. Next. Number 4, implementation. In the cloud computing API using a REST API with Node.js and Google Cloud SQL for your money filter app offer simplicity, scalability, and efficient reading of user data. Node.js non-blocking I/O with text importing targeted requests, and Google Cloud SQL provides a managed MySQL database service for reliability and scalability. This stack enables responsive backend, easy database management, and seamless integration with cloud services. So thank you again.
Okay, thank you, Susi, for presenting your part. And the next part is I'm gonna explaining about result of our project. Next. So here's the landing. So if you can see at the top left, we can see at the landing page of our website Money. There is a simple explanation about what is Money, and also there is a button for login. And if you scroll down a bit, then you can see about what kind of service that we are provided in this application. And also, if you scroll down a bit, you can see about us explanation, so you can understand more about Money. Next. Okay, this is the design for the register, login, and if you forget the password, and also you can change your password. It's just that simple. Next. Okay, here's how our application works. So at the first, when the first time you're using our website, you're gonna see our overview page where we show about the table of the data you are ever input to our database. But since this is the first time the application is launched, there is no data yet. So if you want to input the data, you can go to the input tab at the top right, and then you can input all the data, for example like item name, item amount, or what kind of type is the outcome in outcome. And then you can also choose the what kind of picture you want to add, and also you can add a note if you want to more explicit about the data you're entering. And then if you click submit, you're gonna see the data at the bottom picture, where you can see that I already input some data as an example. And also, if you can see at the middle of the page, there's also your expense status is normal. So basically that is a beta program for this website, because we haven't finished the project yet. But okay, let's skip it. Okay, there's also at the bottom you can see there is the summary of the for example your data. So I already input one data, and there is also amount that called one, and if also you see, there is also how much money that I input. For example, I put to 20,000 rupiah, and also there is show in the outcome tab 20,000. Okay, oh, the last one I forgot. At the bottom of the wait, at the bottom of the page there is also export to PDF button if you want to export it as a PDF. That's all. Thank you. Next. And also there is documentation. So if you want to see more about our documentation about this project, you can visit our GitHub repository, github.com/riskybossman/miny. That is where we collect all the data for our project. Next. Okay, so for the next is plan deployment, and it's gonna be explained by Naval. Naval, it's your time.
The second section is plan deployment. And plan deployment for the next 6 months in January is improving machine learning model, testing, and improving apps. February, launching alpha version apps. March, new feature, subscription, development, and improving model. In April, advertising and launching landing page. May, advertising doing surveys and improving architecture. In June, advertising and launching beta version apps. And then in the X section, business pitch and go to market. Target market for our website is age range between 25 to 45, professionals, entrepreneur, young family, and each other. For roles, decision maker in their household, active saver, and investor. Specific attribute, tech savvy, environmental conscious, hobbies, interest in sustainable living and personal finance. And then This is budget for our my money. In income, cash is 100 US dollar. Is budget plan. There is summary. You can see, and this is sustainable profit projection per year. And the expenses, this is total income is 13,000 and total expenses is 5,000. So the total revenue is 8,000.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
I will return it to
Okay. Thank you, Novel, for the presentation. And I think that is all that our team can present for this presentation. And thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you around. Thank you. Oke. Gimana sih ini deh keluar?